Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and as you can see here we've got the list which is a kind of a shortcut of the full list of available languages. So here we've got those which we are usually apply and use. So let's add a new language. Let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and I will pick maybe Turkish. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one because it is on the very first position. So we have to reorder the languages to actually set the Turkish. Of course, Turkish in my case. So let's tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the very first position. Now let's tap on change to Turkish or any other language, of course. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got English applied. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Simply tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit. Now we can mark the languages we want to remove and tap on delete. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.